A Dyson vacuum that's not holding its charge can be a frustrating issue. But fortunately, there are several possible solutions to resolve the problem. The causes of this issue often include using the vacuum on maximum power continuously, dirty battery contacts, or a faulty battery. To address this, it's recommended to avoid using the maximum power vacuuming mode for extended periods, as this can drastically discharge the battery and reduce its lifespan. Cleaning the battery contacts is also a simple and effective solution. This can be done by removing the battery from the vacuum cleaner, which is typically secured by 3 Phillips screws, and then properly cleaning the contacts before mounting it back. If the issue persists, it may be necessary to replace the battery, especially if it's been used for an extended period and is no longer able to hold a charge. In this case, the old battery should be safely disposed of according to local regulations, and a new one installed. By following these steps, it's possible to fix a Dyson vacuum that's not holding its charge and get it working efficiently again.